Recently, yes. Yeah, I had it with my own son.
You had sex with your own son?
Own son. Because that I feel like I miss my ex-girls. I feel like going back to.
Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Naija Daughter TV show. Now pardon me for this video. I find out say no sound. My people, I beg. No, na manager, and I make me they do voice over. Wetin I dey talk about, wetin I break come for na my people. I just dey one. Wetin I break come out, this our Ghana sister. When he say they do vaga her son. Say they put in just tell the son say they miss all those friend oh. Say the thing they hungry and not my mouth now for here and now see am for there. I go put the video. Now his son say mommy my machine they work oh mommy I fit do one for you I fit do vaga you. Now the interview man say do vaga and you can say yes say and at that time tell no say his son no be small pikin again. My people something dey this world what did they happen? You open your eye your son dey on top of you. This one it shocked me, my people. I go leave the video for now. May una still watch and may una listen to her interview. Come on, this my Ghanaian sister. Wait till you see. How did it taste sweet? How did it taste do you? Your own son, they on top of your body, they do vaga you. Your own son, they on top of your body, they do vaga. You see fit sit down the grand interview. I beg now. May we see they remember God or our tradition. Africa, we get tradition. People don't get tradition again. I said, this news, may I quick drop out for now, my beautiful people, so that may not listen to them. May not still drop now opinion. How person, his own son, he say his son do vaga, and his son, because they ask him, more, he not fit continue now because now. So now you for continue now. You will continue because the thing you the enjoy. It's not good. Why you start from the beginning? Why you will start? You don't see another man for outside. You don't see any other man for outside. My people, this one shocked me. Oh, I say me I leave the video for now. Me una still watch. Now I take bring and call for now. I beg, as you dey watch am, drop your own opinion. This video when I do so I be deliberate on well. As now you see this my video so now the clothes I wear, my sister, my brother, my mommy, my daddy. I beg me una manage this my voice over. I found out say the thing don't work. Now make me do this voice over.
Recently, yes. Yeah, I had it with my own son.
You had sex with your own son?
Own son. Because that I feel like I miss my ex-girls. I feel like going back to.
You had sex with your own son?
Own son, yeah.
How did it happen?
I like sometimes I post on my WhatsApp status that I feel like I miss my ex-girls. I feel like going back to any of them to, have sex with them. Say, mommy. I'll use me as your vibrator. I have the real vibrator. I say, hey, wow. And what is your real vibrator? Is that the natural vibrator? That is the penis. Right. And that was when I realized that my son is not that old but he has a big. He
has a big dick.
Yeah.
So how long was that session?
It was just once. But he has been calling me and telling me that, oh, mommy, I've missed you. So anytime you need me, I can come and make you happy.
Did you enjoy it?
Oh yeah, I did enjoy it.
You did enjoy it.
Yeah.
You missed, that feeling.
But he's my son, so I can't continue.
You can't continue having sex with him. But did you come? Was he able to do it to the point where?
Oh, he was able to satisfy me.
He was able to satisfy.
But he's my son, so.
But you can't continue.